The Leaning Tower of Pisa, located in Pisa, Italy, is one of the world's most iconic landmarks, renowned for its unintended tilt. Standing at approximately 185.9 feet, 56.67 meters, on its higher side, the tower has 8 stories, including a bell chamber. Although it doesn't rank among the tallest buildings globally, its unique tilt makes it instantly recognizable. Construction began in 1173 and spanned nearly 200 years, completing in 1372. The architect is often attributed to Bonanno Pisano, though some believe Diotisalvi was involved. Initially built as a freestanding bell tower for the Pisa Cathedral, the tower is now managed by Opera della Primazia Pisana and constructed mainly from white and grey marble. The tower attracts millions of visitors each year who come to experience its historical significance and architectural peculiarity.